Good morning, it's Saturday here at the Overland Expo Pacific Northwest. This morning I'm going to be making coffee from a local grinder and bean grower right here in Oregon. It's called the Beadlock Coffee Company. I'm going to be doing dark roast this morning. It's called Fully Locked, vanilla with dark chocolate and toffee. Small batch roasted right out of St. Paul, Oregon. Check them out. Beadlock. We're going to see just how good this stuff is. And as you know, I'm a coffee connoisseur. I'm going to give you an honest review on this stuff. Let's do this. Oh, that's so good. One bottle of water. I'm going to make about 2 cups of coffee. That's about it this morning. Okay, this Jetboil, I'm going to tell you, it heats really quickly. I'm talking less than a minute. Sometimes I get boiling water and I'm ready to pour my coffee in. We'll see. And here on the Jetboil, what you're going to notice is there's a, right here. When this begins to turn orange, you see how it's starting to turn orange? That means it's closer and closer to boiling. As hot as you want it, this is pretty semi-hot. It's starting to boil. Some of it's boiling. It's not at a full boil. But as it keeps going at the top, you've reached a full boil. So depending on how hot you want your coffee, you can judge it. They now have a little meter here on the side. It's going to tell you everything you need to know. One more quick shameless plug. If you're looking for a camping mug, Snow Peak in downtown Portland. Yes, downtown Portland has camping gear. Snow Peak. This thing keeps my coffee hot for hours. It's nearly as good as a Yeti, if I would say the equivalent. It's not cheap, but it's worth every penny if you like hot coffee for a long period of time. All right, we are at a full boil, as you can see, because hey, I like my coffee piping hot. Let's make it. And again, Beadlock Coffee Company, St. Paul, Oregon. Dark roast. I tasted it yesterday. It's a bold roast, but I'm telling you, it does not taste like that harsh, bold roast that I've gotten a lot of other times from other coffee companies who let their coffee sit for hours and even weeks, sometimes months on the shelf. These guys, it's fresh nearly every week. They're creating the stuff. So you want the freshest coffee. That's what Beadlock Coffee Company claims. Talked to the owner yesterday. So I'm going to find out. We're about to find out here in just a minute just how good this coffee is made in the Jetboil. Is this good for camping? Is this better for home? I don't know, but we are going to see. Let's put our lid back on. We're going to let it simmer here for just a little bit. Just a couple of minutes. Put our French press down. And we're going to jump right into just seeing how good this coffee is. All right, it's all ready. French press time. Let's do this. Oh, that looks good. That looks really good. Time for truth. Oh man, that is smooth. That is some of the smoothest bold coffee I think I might have ever had. Wow. That's really good. You can get this Beadlock Coffee Company coffee. They have bold, they have medium, they have light. They have a range of coffee. And here's a QR code. You want to scan that. Take a snapshot of that, whatever the case may be. He will ship this to you wherever you are. This is fantastic. There's a subscription. He can send you monthly coffee at a very reasonable price. I think it was like $18 for a bag a month. That's great. So anyway, check them out. The Beadlock Coffee Company out of St. Paul, Oregon. Good stuff. Recommend it. You passed the grit test. This is grit worthy, big time. Good job. Thank you guys.